Book of Heaven, Volume 11, July 28, 1915. The soul who lives in the divine will forms one single heart with that of Jesus. I was repeating my laments to Jesus, saying to him, "How is it that you left me? You promised me that you would come every day, at least once, and today the morning is gone, the day is ending, and you are still not coming. Jesus, what torment is your privation? What a continuous death! Yet I am all abandoned in your will. Even more, I offer you this privation of you, as you teach me, in order to give salvation to as many souls, for as many instants as I am deprived of you. I place the pains which I suffer when I am without you like a crown around your heart, in order to prevent the offenses of creatures from entering into your heart, and to prevent you from condemning any soul to hell. But with all this, O my Jesus, I still feel my nature being upset, and incessantly I call you, I search for you, I long for you." At that moment, my lovable Jesus extended his arms around my neck, and clasping me, told me,
"My daughter, tell me, what do you desire? What do you want to do? What do you love?"
"And I desire you, and that all souls be saved. I want to do your will, and I love you alone." And he,
"So you desire what I want. With this, you hold me in your power, and I hold you, and you cannot detach yourself from me, nor can I from you. How can you say then that I have left you?"
Then he added in a tender tone,
"My daughter, one who does my will is so identified with me that her heart and mine form one single heart. And since all the souls who are saved through this heart, and as its heartbeat is formed, so do they take flight towards salvation, coming out from the mouth of this heart. I will give to the soul the merit of those saved souls, because she has wanted the salvation of those souls together with me, and I have used her as the life of my own heart."